Hello, I'm in Baler. So I hope you see and you hear the sound of waves. It's very calming, very kind. And I haven't been into deep, deep stuffs. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm drinking matcha. I don't like it. It's too sweet. Just look at my arms. I don't like it because I've been going to the gym and maybe my gym coach has a different vision in mind than I am, and I just don't want to be bulky. Or maybe my arms are just really flat. Still don't know. I'm inside the Nalo surf camp. Baler is really that one place here in the Philippines that heals me. Overseas, I don't know. Maybe Switzerland or France or Netherlands. But yeah, I'm currently here because if there is one thing that keeps me coming back here, it's not because I surf. I don't surf. I tried before, but maybe soon I would like to make it as a hobby. But now, what I really like here is that it's a healing place. It's really a healing place because someone's coming out. It's really a healing place for me, and I'm going through something blow by blow, and I hope I'll be fine when I come back in Manila. I'll be fine. God got me. Bye. False alarm. She's not coming upstairs. She's not coming upstairs.